Welcome back to the Daily Drives, your go-to source for everything on wheels. Whether it rolls on roads, climbs overland trails, or parks beneath the stars. If you're passionate about adventure vehicles, RV living, or simply curious about what the future of camping looks like, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming deep dives. Now let's talk about something exciting. The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome. Toyota has officially stepped into the future of recreational travel with their 2026 Camper Motorhome, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Built on the solid reputation Toyota has earned for reliability, efficiency, and innovation, this new camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a smart, mobile lifestyle solution. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a digital nomad, or a full-time road tripper, Toyota's newest offering might just become your dream rig. Toyota has officially stepped into the future of recreational travel with their 2026 Camper Motorhome, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Built on the solid reputation Toyota has earned for reliability, efficiency, and innovation, this new camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a smart, mobile lifestyle solution. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a digital nomad, or a full-time road tripper, Toyota's newest offering might just become your dream rig. What really sets this camper apart, though, is what's under the hood and on the roof. The 2026 model features a dual powertrain, a plug-in hybrid system combined with a high-capacity solar roof. This means you can run essential systems like the fridge, lights, and climate control without needing to fire up a noisy generator or plug in at a campground. The hybrid engine delivers impressive fuel economy, making cross-country road trips more sustainable and budget-friendly. Toyota claims up to 700 miles of range on a full tank and full battery charge combined, which could make a huge difference on longer adventures. Inside, the Camper Motorhome is a masterclass in intelligent design. Despite its compact footprint, Toyota's engineering team has optimized every inch of interior space. The living area transforms with ease. Convertible seating, modular storage, and a slide-out section create a surprisingly roomy interior when parked. You'll find a cozy, sleeping loft above the cab, a compact but efficient kitchenette with a dual-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, and a 12V fridge. There's also a full wet bath with a cassette toilet and a water-saving shower system that uses smart filtration to extend your fresh water supply. One of the camper's biggest highlights is its smart technology. Everything from the lighting to the water heater can be controlled from the central touchscreen interface or remotely via Toyota's mobile app. That means you can warm up the camper before you return from a hike or monitor battery levels from your phone. The system even suggests optimal solar panel positioning based on your location and weather forecast. Toyota has clearly focused on making life on the road as seamless as possible. Connectivity is another area where the 2026 camper shines. A built-in 5G antenna and satellite dish ensure you're never out of reach, whether you're working remotely, streaming your favorite series, or just staying connected with family. There's also an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth sound system, and voice assistant compatibility with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Toyota understands that just because you're off-grid doesn't mean you have to be offline. Safety, of course, is front and center. The 2026 camper includes Toyota's full suite of advanced driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking. Plus, A new terrain management system adjusts traction and suspension settings based on the driving surface, helping you tackle everything from sandy trails to snowy backroads with confidence. For those who want to customize, Toyota is offering a range of optional packages. You can choose an off-road adventure package with all-terrain tires, skid plates, and an upgraded suspension. Or go for the luxury tech pack that includes a retractable awning with LED lighting, heated flooring, and a rooftop observation deck, perfect for stargazing or drone photography. Pricing hasn't been officially released yet, but early indicators suggest the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome will be competitively positioned, somewhere in the mid to upper tier of the campervan market. Considering the hybrid powertrain, solar integration, and smart tech suite, it's likely to be a strong value for both new adventurers and seasoned van lifers. So, whether you're planning to explore the national parks, tour the coastlines, or just live more freely, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome looks like it could be your next home on wheels. With cutting-edge features and Toyota's legendary dependability, this is one camper that's more than ready to hit the road and stay there. Thanks for sticking with us through this breakdown of the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. What feature do you love the most, and where would you take this camper first? Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and as always, keep rolling forward.